Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. Shortbread crust topped with melted chocolate and toasted walnuts. This version was adapted from Diamond Walnuts package, but these types of bars are classic and a lot of fun because you can vary the nuts and the chocolate. So let's go and see what we need for this quick recipe. So the things we need will be unsalted butter, then I have an egg, all-purpose flour, salt, vanilla essence, brown sugar, chopped walnuts, and then some chocolate chips. So first preheat your oven on 350 degrees. Then in the mixing bowl add butter, vanilla essence, brown sugar, then crack an egg and start mixing until you have a creamy and smooth mixture. Then add your flour, salt, and then half a cup of chopped walnuts, and then start mixing until they are combined. Then grease 9x13-inch baking dish and then spread your prepared mixture with the help of spatula and then put it in the oven and bake it for 25 minutes or until it's lightly brown from top. Then immediately sprinkle your chocolate chips on top of your freshly baked hot shortbread crust and let it stand for 5 minutes. Then with the help of offset spatula, start spreading your chocolate on top of your cookie base. Now sprinkle your remaining chopped walnuts. Then press them lightly with the help of the same offset spatula. And then let it cool down completely and cut into bars. I use semi-sweet chocolate for these, but they also be good when topped with chopped hazelnut flavored chocolate or milk chocolate. Also, the recipe halves very well. Really good butter and chocolate would make them even better. And when you make it, don't forget to take a picture and tag me on Facebook, Twitter, or on Instagram. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and be a part of morEwish family. And just click on the link to check my previous videos.